Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna create a Navratri look. So if you are interested, please keep watching. First I'm gonna apply sunscreen. With this your base will be very nice. Trust me, you have to try this thing. We'll apply a little bit of sunscreen. For sunscreen, I used Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture SPF 30. For the moisturizer, I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It is really good for oily skin type. So whoever is an oily skin type, go for this moisturizer. Don't forget your neck. I'm gonna hydrate my lips now with this lip balm with the flavor bubblegum. I'm gonna use the Inside Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Fit Me foundation with the shade 220 Natural Beige. There are 3 different ways to apply foundation. You can even apply this way, or you can apply this way. Or the third way is to apply from the brush. For forehead, I won't apply that much because my forehead becomes very oily. So with that, it spoils the makeup. So I don't apply much on my forehead. With a beauty sponge, I have wet it a little with the makeup fixer. Now it's done. For concealer, I'm gonna apply the Swiss Beauty Concealer. Mirror. I will apply it on the inner corner. And then a little bit in the eyes. Not a little bit. Forehead a bit. Then I'm gonna use the exposed compact powder with the number 01. After applying the powder, it gives a very nice finish to your base. So powder is very important. If you just apply the concealer, then if you lay your head on something, the makeup will come out. So powder is very important for that specific reason. If you are not that great fan of powder, then just apply it wherever you have concealed, that's it. And at least because the concealed portion will be covered, so you can apply the powder, and whatever is left in the brush you can move it on the other parts. For eyebrow, I'm gonna use the Mars Instant Glam Eyebrow Powder, and I'm gonna choose the middle shade, lightest brown amongst these, because you can't apply the black shade on your eyebrows. It will look like very artificial types. So you just have to fill your brows. So for that you have to take a brown shade, or even if you want to take the black, mix it with brown and then apply it. I have tried applying black and I looked horrible. So that's why I am already telling you not to do it. It also has a mirror behind it, and it is so good, like just for this part, and it's perfect. I'm gonna create a very smoky eye kind of a look. So first things first, I have to apply. These are very convenient, I can cut it as much as I want and just in one pull. After that, I'm gonna use the black shade and the brown. Okay, this brown and this black. First I'm gonna apply the brown shade in my crease. Do it this way. With a fluffy brush only you can do this. I do everything with this brush, but if you want to be like a very professional one, so you have to use a fluffy brush for that. But it's not compulsory. You can do it with any brush, but with fluffy brush, finishing will be good, that's all. And then I'm gonna use the black shade. I'm using the Mascara palette for this. I'm gonna apply some under my eyes, the black color. I don't like applying kajals and all. I don't know, I just don't like it, so I'm just gonna apply it this way. I know that kajal will give a very great look for the smoky eye, but the next thing is to apply blush. So I'm gonna use my lipstick from the Face Shop. Okay, so after this I'm gonna apply highlighter. It is a Miracle Touch in color highlighter. For my lips, I'm gonna use this lip liner from True Lip with the shade 058. So this is the final look. Wherever I bought these jewelries will be mentioned in the description box. Do watch it. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.